President sir, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear Baiti. Today I am here to deliver a speech about education. Education is not about gain only knowledge from anything and everything around us. Education is very important for us. How when it mean learning to to be happy, learning the a way to keep society and have other happy, learning to be a way to live in society, learning to a way to tackle challenge, learning the a way to help others, learning to a way to care order, and learning to a how to behave others. My dear Baiti, education is not like a healthy food which nourishes us both internally and externally. It makes us strong internally and give lots of confidence by making our personality and give us knowledge. Good education is only a way to remove our bad habits, poverty, inequality, gender discrimination, and so many social issues. Education does not necessarily mean degrees from reputed institution, though that is a certification of what we have learned. We must gain as much knowledge as we can in our life and must know how to use that for the benefit in our society. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.